Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the mixer down, then plug the Talkback mic into the dedicated Talkback input or a spare mic channel. Once done, use a quality XLR cable and hand-tighten connections so they don't loosen on stage. Make sure phantom power is off for a dynamic Talkback mic. If using a condenser, enable plus 48V on that channel. While the mixer is still off, set the channel fader to unity or slightly below, and place the Talkback switch in the off position until ready. Now power the mixer on and route the mic channel to the Talkback bus, control room, or headphone feed depending on your workflow. You adjust the channel gain so the meter shows solid levels but never reds. Do test speech at typical volume to dial gain. Once set, flip the Talkback switch and use the Talkback level or trim control to set how loud crew and performers hear you. Also verify any mute groups or solo in place settings won't block the Talkback path. Finish by testing Talkback to all intended destinations: control room, talent headphones, and stage wedges. Speak at performance level and confirm clarity. Make sure you can be heard without shouting. If you hear feedback or noise, lower the gain, move the mic away from monitors, engage a low cut to remove rumble, and add slight EQ cut if necessary. Finally, label the channel, store your mixer scene or snapshot, and leave Talkback in the standby position until you need to communicate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.